Hello, welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words bear and bear. They are homophones, meaning that they sound alike but have different meanings and spellings. Let's look at each one individually. Bare, an adjective that means exposed, uncovered, or without covering. For example, the tree stood bare after losing all its leaves in winter. She walked on the bare floor without any shoes. The room was bare, lacking any furniture or decorations. Bear. It can't be a verb or noun, as a verb meaning to carry, support, or endure something. As a noun, meaning a large mammal known as a bear. For example, verb. She had to bear the weight of her backpack during the hike. He could not bear the thought of losing his best friend. The tree was so heavy with fruit that it could barely bear its load. Noun. She saw a bear while hiking in the national park. The children's favorite stuffed animal is a teddy bear. To summarize, bear can mean to carry or endure, and it can also refer to the animal. Bare describes something that is uncovered or exposed. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.